What's good guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's a slightly different video. It's going to be a CrossFit workout for beginners. So it can be done anywhere, any place with no equipment at all. So the idea of this workout is just one that you can do just to get your heart rate going. It's going to be around 10 minutes, just a calorie burner. But again, a lot of the exercises that I'll be doing in this workout are actually like stepping stones to developing your CrossFit ability in more technical movements. So yeah, it's one for beginners, but again, can be done by anyone, anywhere, and it only takes 10 minutes. Let's get into it. Right, so the warm-up is going to be 3 rounds. Each round is going to be 10 push-ups, then into 20 air squats. Then we're going to go for 10 inchworms, and then a 20-second squat hold, and we're going to repeat that 3 times. Below parallel, back straight. So that's 1 round. We're going to repeat that 2 more times and then we'll get into the main workout. Right, so it's a 10-minute workout and I'm going to be using the PhD Burn, which is a fat burning thermogenic pre-workout. So caffeine and lots of ingredients that just get your heart rate going, helps you get a bit of a sweat on. So I'm going to have 1 scoop of the lemon sherbet, and there are a few squats in today's workout. It's quite a bit of leg work. So I'm going to include some of the joint and bone health move, which is mango passion fruit. So it's going to be a nice fruity concoction. Scoop of this in. But yeah, if you want to get any of the PhD range, phd.com, and you can use TomS10 for an additional 10% discount. I'll put all the links down below. Right, so the workout's going to be a 10-minute workout. That's all it's going to take, 10 minutes, 40 seconds work, and then you're going to get a 20-second rest. You're going to do that 10 times. Every minute is going to be a different exercise, targeting different parts of the body. And basically, yeah, give it max effort on your 40 seconds. Good form, good execution, but it's only a 10-minute workout, so you can properly send it. So 40 seconds of hard work, 20-second rest. Yeah, 10 exercises. Let's get it. Last one, 5 seconds, jumping lunges, final push, let's go. Your legs should be on fire there. We've hit a bit of arms, tried to cover the upper body. The last 3 were just a pure leg blitzer. If your legs aren't on fire, do it again. But we're not finished there. We've still got some core to hit. We're gonna finish with a really quick core blaster, just to finish off the workout. Right, so we're just gonna hit that last bit of core. 4 exercises. It's only 20 seconds of work, 10-second rest for each exercise. So it's going to be 2 minutes. It's a 2-minute core workout, just to engage the core, just engage the core and get it going. So first exercise is going to be Russian twist. No touching the ground. Keep your feet off the ground at all time. Send it on this. We go. Upper body, legs, and now our core fully blitzed. It's gonna be about 12 minutes with your workout, with your warm up. With your warm up, probably about a 15-minute workout, give or take. But you can do it anywhere, any place. Anyone can do that, no equipment required. Give it a go. Let me know how you got on. If there's anything you think I missed, comment down below. Tag me in your workout if you do it on Instagram. And I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, drop it a like. Subscribe if you're new. If you want any of the PhD subs, head over to phd.com, and I'll see you in the next one.